Ashley, nung bata yan, sobrang bait. Kasi sobrang mahal na mahal namin anak namin na yan kasi sobrang bait talaga niya. Kaya lahat ng wish niya as mommy, daddy, binibigay namin lahat.
Wala kaming masabi sa kanya since nung maliit siya hanggang lumaki. Tahimik na bata at
Very, very charming. Kasi sa smile pa lang niya, sobrang maano ka na. Sobrang thankful kami kay Ashley. Kasi napakabait ng batang yan.
She is very hardworking and conservative towards everyone, especially outside, except in our home.
Si Ashley kasi tawag dito. Siya yung yung tipong bata na in simple terms, hindi siya brat. Spoiled lang siya, pero not brat. So spoiled lang siya. Gusto naman siya sa kapatid.
Nag-aaway kami minsan, kaso friends pa rin kami. Mahal ko siya. Kahit hindi kami masyado close tsaka nag-aaway, she's still my sister and I will still love her the way she is.
I wish her all the best, especially after graduating senior high. She'll now be entering college. Ashley, happy birthday and God bless.
We-welcome ka namin and gagabayan ka namin as a kuya ni Adrian. Nandito kami.
As you turn 18 and as an ate, I won't tell you to have it all figured out because honestly, no one ever really does. What I do hope is that you give yourself a chance to be curious, to explore and to grow without pressure. Some of the best things in life happen when you're not trying to rush to the next step.
J'ai juste laissé le temps courir, partir, venir.
Happy birthday, Ashley! We love you!
Happy 18th birthday, Ashley!
Happy 18th birthday, Ashley!
Happy birthday, Ashley! Wish you all the best!
Happy 18th birthday, Ashley! Happy 18th birthday, Ashley! Happy 18th birthday, Ashley! Stay pretty!
Alam ko na alam mo na kung ano yung regalo ko dahil alam mo naman na sabi mo ang ganda nung ginagamit ni Kuya. Gusto mo ring magkaroon ng katulad nung kay Kuya. Si Yumi, from a ugly duckling, ngayon naging swan princess na rin siya.
Believe in yourself, you're stronger than you know. Dream big, work hard, let your passion show. The future is bright.
Anak, ang wish ni Mami sa'yo, hindi natin mabibigay yung maging princess ka. Pero this day, magiging princess ka talaga kasi sobrang pinag-pray natin yan kay Lord na matupad itong dream mo na maging princess ka. Yung promise ko na gift, eto na. Oh my gosh! Sana magustuhan mo.
Time will pass, so make it count. Dream catch and dream again, no doubt. You're never too old to say.
Wishing you you all the happiness, success, and wisdom. Love you always. Happy birthday.
I wish you a future filled with joy and success. Embrace every opportunities, chase your dreams, and don't be afraid to take risks. Happy 18th birthday, Fish.
Let the journey be fun. Love what you do, keep your feet on the ground. Perseverance in short races, success will be found. Dream big, never give up. Chase the stars, fill your cup, fill your cup. Time will pass, so make it count. Dream catch and dream again, no doubt. Dream big, never give up. Chase the stars, fill your cup, fill your cup. Time will pass, so make it count. Dream catch and dream again, no doubt.